Hello, I'm Christopher Smith. I'm the Executive Chair of the Arts and Humanities Research Council, and I'm also the champion for creative industries in UKRI. I'm here in the University of Newcastle to do one of our regional stakeholder events. It's been really exciting to talk to universities, local leaders, businesses, catapults about the work that can be done distinctively and specially in the northeast of England. It's been a great conversation. There's a huge amount of positivity. This is a region that specialises in critical areas that are good for the economy of the northeast of England, but also great for the economy of the whole of the UK. So we've been talking about areas in health, in advanced materials manufacturing and in space, key areas for the industrial strategy, and the way in which our investment, along with local investment, the strengths of university and the strengths of business, can come together in that wonderful alchemy, which is the research and innovation ecosystem that will advance knowledge, change lives, and drive economic growth. The mood was great. There are some challenges. We need to know how to scale and grow businesses. We need to move funding quickly. And we need to be able to support real strength to get stronger. But everybody here is absolutely committed to that, as are we, and I'm really optimistic about where this conversation is going to go over the period of this spending review.